Hello, students, and welcome to Unit 2.3. Yeah, I'm fancy. Um, Same sort of aspects apply to Unit 2.3, with the exception that a rough draft is due at the end of this unit. So, very tight turnaround between that and your final draft. You may or may not receive feedback from your instructor. My advice is to definitely make sure you get it done on time. Number one, get a draft in on time. Even if it's not perfect, get a draft in on time. And secondly, thinking ahead a little bit, perhaps make a reservation with the FVCC writing lab and see if you can't get if you have a draft done as early as possible, see if you can't get some help from the writing lab. It may not be possible with how a summer section shakes out with its timeline. It could be a very tight turnaround, but that's the way the cookie crumbles. So if you're a little bit proactive, you might be able to get a little additional help with this essay. Otherwise, you're the same as anyone else taking the summer course. Everybody's in the same boat. So essentially, writing portfolios, rough drafts, there is a place to submit, and there is the rubric. It's kind of important to look at the rubric. This helps you see exactly what you're being graded on. And actually, this rubric has changed. So take a look at the new rubric. It's very exciting. It's really nitty-gritty detailed. Now I'll upload that in a second. But if you have a rubric available for your assignments, look at the rubric, see how you're going to be graded. And also, the way that this rubric works is also that it forms, because it's going to be very granular. That's not the proper one. The other one's very granular. There's like 30 points on it, like 30 individual places to grade. And so that will give you almost a checklist of what you're doing right or not doing right with your rough draft in and of itself. And it was a way that we could get grades back quicker. And so hopefully your instructors are able to at least get that rubric done. And then you can see literally, I haven't double spaced it, or I don't have a title page, or I don't have, etc. So a couple of points for Unit 2.3. I hope that you enjoy it. It is a challenge, but it's a good challenge. So good luck.